Cops are ensuring that a watertight case is made in the Pune Porsche drunk driving case because the statements of two friends of the minor have now been recorded. In fact, on Tuesday was where both of these minors were present with their family at the crime branch where the statement was recorded. As of now, cops are also mulling that the statement would be recorded under CRPC 164, which means the statement will be recorded before a magistrate so that they cannot backtrack on the statement that they've made. In fact, before the cops, they've admitted that the accused was behind the wheels and not the driver. In fact, earlier they had said that it was the driver who was behind the wheels, but now in a fresh statement, both these friends of the minor have admitted that it was the minor accused who was behind the wheels. They've also admitted that he was driving under the influence of alcohol. Now, this is a big clincher, in fact, for the cops because this statement would be used as a prime witness in the case to build a watertight case against the accused. However, so as to ensure that this case stands before the law, the magistrate's statement would be recorded for both of these friends of the accused. Both of these friends were present at Black, following which they went along with the accused in the same Porsche car when the accident took place. In fact, the visuals also show how some of them were fleeing the spot after the accident, but now they've been brought to books, their statements have been recorded, and year they would also be made as a prime witness in this case. The process is on to make them as a witness in this case, also considering that they are minors, which is where it's important to record their statement before the magistrate. Now, all of these details come in just as the father and the grandfather of the accused have been sent to judicial custody in the case of threatening the driver to admit that he was the one behind the wheels. Means all of this while both of them have been sent to Yerwara jail, but cops have also moved an application before the magistrate court so as to ensure that they can get the custody of the father of the accused in the case pertaining to swapping of blood samples. Here, cops would further want to try and investigate the father to understand his role here, because the investigation had emerged. There are 14 calls which were made between the father and Dr. Tavre asking him to swap the samples of blood, because the inquiry report in this case says that there were 3 blood samples which were collected apart from that of the accused. One was that of a female, 2 that of elderly people, and while the CCTV also showed that there were 6 people present in the forensic lab when the blood examination was to take place. One was the accused, the other 2 were his parents. There was a female, a mystery woman in fact, who cops suspect could have been the person who would have given his blood sample, they've given her blood sample to swap with that of the accused, and they were 2 elderly people. So cops are now trying to find out who these people were. Cops also suspect that it was possibly the mother who gave her blood samples to be swapped with that of the accused. Now, amidst all of this, Pune Police has also moved the Juvenile Justice Board, asking for the statement of the accused in this case to be recorded, while the accused's family is nowhere to be possibly found, considering the fact that they cannot be part of the investigation, possibly because both the father and the grandfather are in jail. The mother is on the run, which is where for the statement of the accused to be recorded, permission has been sought from Juvenile Justice Board, stating that if the relative or the lawyer of the accused is present, they can record the statement. The order on this is awaited from the Juvenile Justice Board, following which cops can further go ahead and investigate the accused in this case. The accused will be investigated on various aspects. One, the drunk driving, the accident that took place of the Porsche, apart from that, swapping of blood samples, and various other aspects of all the 3 cases that the cops are investigating right now.